In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Dear students, good morning. I welcome you all to the second lesson of week 7. This is your science class and we will continue unit number 1, Brain and Nerves. Previously, in unit number 1, I explained the structure of the amazing human brain. I told you that our brain can be divided into 3 parts, cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. I also explained the functions controlled by each part in detail. We know that the nerves play an important role in making connections between the brain and the other parts of the body. 2 types of nerves, sensory nerves, motor nerves, and their functions were explained thoroughly. Reflex actions, as automatic and quick actions by the spinal cord, were also explained with the help of a few examples from our daily life. At the end of the unit, we discussed the structures and functions of 5 sense organs with the help of diagrams. This was all about the first unit. Today I will explain exercise questions answers in detail. You have already completed the answers of most of the exercise questions, but while I was going through your assignments and notebook, I felt the need to discuss the exercise questions in detail for better understanding and explanation. Exercise question number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are given in the worksheets of week 7. You are requested to use your textbook and complete the objective-based worksheets of week 7 on your own. If you have any problem finding answers to worksheets questions, you can take help from your teacher. Now we will start the short questions. The first short question is, name different kinds of nerves in the body. For the answer, let's recall week 6 lesson number 1. It says that there are 2 types of nerves in the body: the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. Please write the names of these 2 types of nerves in your answer. The second short questions are, what is the function of sensory nerves? Refer to the same lesson in week 6. It tells us that the sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. These nerves tell the sense organs what they have seen, heard, smelt, felt or tasted. Our third short question is, what is a reflex action? Which parts of the nervous system control reflex actions? I explained in week 6 lesson 2, that automatic actions, where you do not stop to think, are known as reflex actions. These are controlled by the spinal cord. The brain is not involved in these actions because the spinal cord has to react quickly. Fourth short question is, when you feel dizzy and faint, you fall. Can you think why? Is it the body's way of helping you? How is this fall going to help you? We all know that poor body needs oxygen and food to work. This is supplied to all the parts of our body by the blood. Fainting is caused by a drop in blood flow to the brain. After you lose consciousness and fall or lie down, more blood can flow to your brain so you wake up again. This is how falling helps when you faint. Fifth short question is, how does the nose detect smells? Smells are chemicals in the air. These dissolve on the moist lining of the nostrils. The nerves carry a message to the brain and you can detect the smell. Short questions number 6 is, if you touch a hot pot, what makes you take your hand away? How does the message get to the brain? If we touch a hot object, we pull our hand away. This quick reaction is called reflex action. It is controlled by the spinal cord and brain is not involved in reflex action. This is all about the short questions and answers. Now I will explain the long questions. First, long question is, how does the eye see things? Explain with a diagram. For the answer, please refer to your textbook page number 6. Also, you can take help from the video of week 6 lesson 2. The complete answer to these questions is available there. Also, Draw the labeled diagram of the internal structure of the eye. This is all about the first long question. Long question number 2 is, which areas of the brain will be the most active when you perform the following tasks? There are many tasks listed in the question. We have to tell which task is performed by which part of the brain. Cerebrum will be the most active part when we perform the following tasks: remembering to buy your friend a present for her birthday, copying a picture from a book, understanding different words, doing well in your test, controlling your tears when you are sad, feeling bored and fed up, concentrating on a particular subject and talking to a friend. The cerebellum is active during dancing and feeling pain in your elbow. The medulla is highly active while coughing and blinking. Third and the last long question is, name the parts of the brain. Write the functions of each part. The answer is very simple. Refer to the textbook or the video I sent you about the brain and its parts. Write 2 sentences and list the functions of each part. Start with the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. The right side of the cerebrum controls the left side of our body and the left side of the cerebrum controls the right side of our body. Then start listing down the functions of cerebrum, like thinking, remembering, etc. Similarly, go for the cerebellum and medulla. Last but not the least, the homework. Complete all the notebook work with the help of this video. Complete the worksheet. Revise the whole unit with the help of your textbook, worksheets and videos. I will see you next week. Goodbye.